Hello everybody and welcome back to today's brand new video. Today, we are off to IKEA. Oh my God! Bakit ang kalat ng bahay? Ayoko na! Finally! Hi, Sophie! The it girl of Cavite City! Vlogging! Hindi! Hashtag vlogger! 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 Okay guys, so currently we're here sa food court here sa SM Mall of Asia. It's actually my first time. Super ganda ng interior. Parang gaming something yung ano niya.
Parang industrial na may pagka-tropical. So, currently, nakapagbili na kami ng konting stuff that we want. Ay, bumili pala si Pat na
calamansi and lychee from Juice and Go. It's actually my first time din. We will show you guys the view. Here's the view.
Wow!
Tapos bumili lang ako na something from movie.
Bumili naman ako from Forever. Ang workout.
Super pretty, like
nice.
Tiffany blue.
And ito yung color. Wow!
Ganon, light color, pastel na blue. Pastel na Tiffany green blue. Me too, yung Tiffany blue. Tiffany. Ganun talaga Tiffany.
Bakit naman?
Why ba yun?
Oo, baka nasa 20-30.
Ay, by the way guys, binalan ko rin siya ng sunflower bracelet.
Ay, matchy pala kami.
Yeah. Sunflower. This is only like 40 pesos or 50 pesos sa Shopee.
Link down below.
Yeah, link ko yun sa baba kung gusto nyo. Hello guys! So we're currently sa Team Hall 1. Team Hall 1. So, We're here at IKEA. Guys, time check, it's already 7 p.m.
Hi!
So please bear with us. Flight 1457. This is actually my 4th time going sa IKEA. And ikaw?
My second time.
We're actually here today because we're going to canvas different furnitures for someone's house. Yes, you heard that right. Someone's gonna have her house real soon.
Hi guys! So, fun fact, this IKEA is one of the biggest IKEAs in
Ayun,
Asia.
smart niya doon. Ba't hindi ko alam yan?
Only smart people know some fun facts.
So, kung madami kayong bit-bit guys, they have a free locker here, oh, for free lang. Okay, let me put my stuff in. So, I think the last time I went here was when I was with my dad pa. Nang kasama ko pa si dad. And then, this is the new one na. No! So, what are you looking for this trip sa IKEA?
I want to see like a perfect couch that will fit my living area.
How many couches ba?
One lang.
Alam nyo, if there's something I love about IKEA, yun yung mga secret spots niya sa mga showroom nila na ganito. Tingnan nyo, super tagwa ka. Oh, diba? Ito pa. Oh. Cooking Mama. Guys, so this one is really nice for the bedroom. It's only $250. I'll get one. Ayan. Diba? Pak! Ayan. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Grab it. So, this is our couch, guys. This one. Ito yung price niya. Ito yung meron kami sa bahay. It's all blue. Wala lang yung cover. Pero may cover pa lang siya. Yan. Ito guys, I don't know if you're familiar with this shelf. I already had this sa Middle East. So one of my videos, kung makita nyo. There, it's only 120 reals. Dito is 2,290. It's not bad. Super ganda nyo. Oh. Pak! Love it! Coffee check. Guys, let's have some tea. Cheers! Tara! I know, alam nyo, super ganda nito, oh. Yung plan.
Dear customers, our Swedish restaurant will be closing in 30 minutes.
Ito guys, so if you're also looking for some book organizer or paper organizer, this one is Tejana. And this is only 150 pesos for 2 pieces. So 2 pieces siya, 150. Ang tibay niya. You can get this one sa Market Hall. Ayan, Market Hall. Home organization. Diba? Super nice. Ito yun guys. So, super nice organizer. Good Morgan. Set of 5 na siya. So it literally looks like this one. I like this. So 5 pieces na siya. It's so nice. Ito, this is one of my favorite knives. It's for, I don't know how to read it, but it's only 150 pesos, guys. For 150 pesos, you'll get a small one as well as a big one. And it's super sharp. Super ganda din ang grip niya. Yan. Yeah. I also had this before, you guys, sa Middle East. This was my curtain before. And I feel like I'm gonna get one just to see kung babago siya sa room. Ay, ang ganda. Ayan na guys, so this is the one that I saw earlier sa taas. Ayan, so you will get this one sa home organization. Ano ba yan? Ayaw na mag-focus. Here, so you go down and then check for this one. So it's that one. I'll get this one. Yun, oh my gosh, super nice. Kakalunod.
Wow.
So nice.
Wow naman.
You want this one, diba? From Muji naman.
Yeah. Magkano yan?
1,000 as well.
1,200.
Yeah. How about yung sa
900
Muji?
pala.
Magkano yung sa Muji?
Mga 2K. Ewan ko.
Oh, ka yun?
I think same lang.
So there you go. I still prefer the paper bags, guys. Pero they also have wrapping station here, you guys. Hello guys, it's already June 2. It's already the next day, and as you can see, I just took a shower. Nakakaloka last night. It was so loud outside. You know, the people were drinking. Akala nyo sila lang babayad ng lupa nila. Hello! You have neighbors as well. May kapitbahay din kayo. Anyways guys, I'm gonna be showing you, of course, this is not my video if there's no haul. I don't know, sana na-enjoy nyo yung IKEA vlog ko. Kasi kung di nyo na-enjoy, I'm sorry, wala kayong choice. Pinanood nyo naman. Anyways, first of all, I got something from Muji. Ito yung, alam nyo guys, this is so cheap. If you want something na good for everyday lang, I recommend you to get this one. This is their tote bag. Ayan siya. I actually have the bigger one, pero I decided to get a smaller one because wala lang, it's very handy every time you would go out if you're going for an overnight, you know, going somewhere. It's only 85 pesos or 150 pesos. So, ayan. The next one that I've got naman is from IKEA. So, they come with a small tote bag as well. They no longer have the paper bags, you guys. It sucks a bit because their paper bag is really nice as well. But anyways, it's okay, but you just have to pay for the paper bag as well. This is under 1,000 pesos, and I believe it's all 700 pesos lang. So if you want a 1,000 peso challenge IKEA, very possible. You can actually do it. So first thing that I've got is this Fordula. This is their knife. It's only 150 pesos, and you come with a normal size knife as well as a small one. Just be careful with this one kasi super sharp nila, and it's super easy to use. I've told you this 100 times. Yung grip niya is really nice as well. So this one that I've got is this Lil. I think I've showed you how this curtain looks like sa IKEA, and this is 2 pieces as well. It's very thin. It's very good if you want your room to have a access to sunlight and very airy. The next one that I've got is this paper organizer. It's called Tejana, T-J-E-N-A. I don't know if I pronounce it wrong or right, pero this is how it looks like, you guys. Yung ganyan, no? Yan. I decided to get this one kasi it's super cheap. Alam niyo yung mga white na paper organizer or file organizer sa Shopee or Lazada is too expensive. Maybe it costs around 150 pesos per piece. Last but not the least is this acrylic organizer. They have tons and different varieties of this kind of organizer colors. Then they have the black one, the red one, the green one with this one, pero white yung labas. I hope you did enjoy this kind of video, guys. If you did, please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and always remember to put your packness to the next level. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye! I don't know what happened last night, pero sobrang nagtatai talaga ako.